Yes?
Yes,
It was
sir.
fine, okay?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Yes,
afternoon
good
everyone.
afternoon. Afternoon, sir.
Has been also started. And now before I continue further, I want to ask if you have got any doubt.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon
Yes,
everyone.
sir. I have doubts, sir, in exercise 3.1.
3.1. 3.1. Okay,
The
3.1
question
already
number
I have
one,
explained.
sir.
Sir, I
The
have
question
doubt in 49, sir. 49,
Page number
try this,
49.
try this.
Okay. Okay. So today I'll be explaining 49. Try this also. So I'll take first doubt of exercise 3.1. What is the doubt over there? 3.1. Let me see. Here it is. Yes, 3.1. Question number
The question number one, sir.
1. Okay.
Question number one, she told me.
1C. So if you will see over here, write the digits at ones place. So of course, there in 1C, what is there? At last there is 4. Okay. And 4 when it will be squared, then of course 4 4 is 16. What it will come at ones place? 6. Got it? You can write. Okay. In
The how
unit
becomes
place,
it, sir?
6. Just see. At last there is 4. So 4 square is how much? 16. So 16, 6
16.
will be written and 1 will be carried over. So at one's place, of course, 6 it will come. Is
Question
it
number
clear?
D, sir.
Question number B.
Sir,
Which
D,
is
D.
D, okay. 7 square. So 7 square is 49. So 9 will come. Only last digit you
Yes.
have to see, unit digit. Nothing you have to do that. Clear now?
Yes, sir. We left one digit, sir.
Yes, the leftmost last digit, that is unit place digit, you have to see, and it's a square what it will be giving in leftmost digit that you have to see.
Okay, sir. Now under.
Any further doubt also?
No, sir.
Anyone others has also any doubt? If not, then yesterday I think I had explained example number 21. Is it? This where it is 18,
Yes,
19,
sir.
21. Not explained.
No, sir, you explained
No, sir.
example number 20.
Okay. And did I explain this note that if there is no okay even numbers after decimal, then we can keep
Yes, sir.
zero also. That I
Yes,
had
sir.
explained. Yes. So okay, let's see example number 20 then. Okay. Sorry, 21. So in 21, what happened? Here it has been said find the smallest number that must be subtracted from 853.456 to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of a
This also
perfect square
done,
of a
sir,
subject.
just previous class.
This I had explained.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Once again, I will be explaining since few students are saying not explain. So just see what happened. Here, as I had said earlier also,
The
where there is
screen is
white,
not visible.
the screen is not visible, is it?
No, sir, it is
Visible.
visible.
Visible. So might be some students might be having network issues, so that they are not watching that. So if you will see here it is after before point 853. So you will pair 5 3 1 pair, it will be single pair, and after 4 5 1 pair and 6 no number behind, then 0 it can be written. So 6 0 another pair, as you can see below it has been written and it has been explained also. We first place bars over the integral part. Do you know what integral part means? Yes. Are you all listening me?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
integral part is the number which is in the integral form, so which is
Yes,
before
in integer
point.
form, yes. Before point, which are the integers, that is only called integral point. And after this becomes fractional part or
So
decimal part also you can say.
Yes.
Okay. So before integral parts also, okay, when you are pairing, you will pair from last digit, that is unit digit. And after integral part, that means in decimal parts, you will start from 10th place, 10th, 100th, one pair, then after 1000, 10,000 to one pair. TH it's added over here. 10th it becomes 10th, 100. In this way, we are counting after decimal. I hope all of you are knowing it. Yes.
Yes, sir. Knowing.
Good. So after that, after pairing, what we will do? Of course, we will keep this in the format and we will start dividing. Of course, we can use book format also as it is done, or as I had explained several times. In that way also you can divide. Here, what it has been done, it is not showing that it is added. It has been simply considered in mind. You see, at first pair will be divided. So 2 is over here. So 2, 3, 3 are 9 will become more. Therefore, with 2 it has been applied. 2 are 4. And in next step 2 is added. So 2 plus 2 came over here 4. And now what number you will be keeping over here? With the same number you have to multiply. And up to 8 it was found smaller. So with 9 it has been multiplied. Okay. And of course you have to remember from 0 to 9 only you can keep. You can't keep 10 over here. Like 441, when with 9 it is multiplied, it will come 441. Okay. And then after it has been subtracted. Again this after 0.45 was there, so 45 came. When after point the numbers comes, you have to keep point over here also. Okay. And then after, of course, here also 9 added, then 49 plus 9 it will become 58. Okay. If 1 then less than 6,000, so 2 it has been kept, and it came 1114. Sorry, 1164. After subtracting it came 81, and this final one came 60 down. Okay. So now with 1 it has been divided. Suppose if it, here also if you will keep 2, then it will become more than less than 12,000 or more than 10,000 you can say, but it is 8,000 only. So with 1 it has been taken. Now what comes over here? After this there is no number. 2319 and no pair will come down. Okay. So what will happen? This much should be subtracted from this number. So and while subtracting, you have to see from the last digit. This is the last one digit, then second last, then third last, then fourth last. So up to 4 there is after decimal only. So these also should be in decimal. It will become 0.2319. Are you all understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So same thing it has been written over here. We can see that 853.456 is not a perfect square.
Understanding.
Good, very good. Since we are left with the remainder 2319 while doing long division, thus if we subtract 0.2319 from the number, we get a perfect square. So it has been subtracted, that is 853.456 minus 0.2319 is equal to 853.2241 is a perfect square, and whose square root is 29.21, because here we had already got. So no need to do this again. Here it has been done again. If you will not do also, then also happen, because we are removing this only. We are removing this, then this will only be the answer. Remainder it will not come. Okay. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So of course, while making, it's not necessary to write this all things explanation. Simply you can do this, and of course you have to write that this much should be subtracted and this will become this, and the square root is this much. Got it? Now if you will see, here comes a topic, square root of a rational number. Of course, earlier also you had seen square root of a rational number by prime factorization method, that it has been said over here also. By using prime factorization method we had already learned. Now we will be using division method. Of course, same way it will be done. Like if it is mixed fraction, then at first we will change it into improper fraction, then we will be finding out its root. Now here we will be using division method to find out its root. 64 root, of course we know that it is 8 only, so it has been not written over here. Directly it has been written. 64 root is 8. In same way, if you will see the next, okay, there is two questions. One is 111 by 4. So here also 121 by 4, sorry. So what happened? Here 121 by 4 is brought up in decimal first, and then after by using the division method it has been found like this 5.5, or alternatively like this also it can be done. That means root under 121 is 11 and root under 4 is 2, so 11 by 2 is equal to 5.5. Is this two example clear, A and B? If it is not, then you can ask me.
And
Clear to everyone?
yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will come towards explain again. Okay. So let's see. I'll be explaining once again. You see over here, what happens? The process is same. Instead of using prime factorization, what we are using over here? Here we are using division method. First, this mixed fraction has been changed into improper fraction, and its square root we have to find. So in square root form it has been written and it has been separated. Of course, we can write both square root separate. Then square root of 4, 7, 6, 1 it has been found by pairing 4, 7, 1 pair and 6, 1, 1 pair. And same method it has been applied over here. Okay. Then here comes root 69. So here it has been written root under 4769 is equal to root under 69, and root under 64, of course 8 plus 64 it is, so 8 it has been written. It has its division method, it has not been shown, okay, as all of you know. So what happens? Its root becomes 69 by 8, and then it has been changed again into mixed fraction. 8 is 64 and 5 69. So divided, quotient came out, remainder up and divisor down. Clear A number?
Yes, sir.
So if you will see B number, B is also same, but in B what it has been done at first? At first it has been divided over here. 121 is divided by 4 and it came 13.25, and that 13.25 has been found its root. It has been found by using division method, like 5 5 is 25, 5 left, and again 2 5 comes after 0.1, so point it has been kept over here. 5 5 added, then it becomes 10, and here of course by keeping 5 it comes exactly 525, so with by keeping 5 it has been taken out. So of course you have to check
So
this
we
for which number it is coming
directly
exactly.
11 by 2.
And 11 by 2, of course alternative method you can see it has been written root under 121 is root under 11 whole square, so 11 by 2 it has been written and found 5.5. That can be also done. Got it?
Yes,
Sir, we cannot do
Yes,
this
sir.
by simply 121 is root under, then it is the square of 11 and 4 is the square of 2. So simply we can do it now.
Yes, yes, you can see last it has been said alternatively this can be done like this also, as it has been done in last.
direct, please.
Yes, it's also a process, not directly. You can see it has been shown by separating the root, then after it has been shown that this is the square of this, then after it has been shown 11 by 2, then after it has been shown 5.5, directly not written 5.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But in this method, sir, the square root of 121 it is not found, sir. It is known to us, so that's.
Yes, that's why I had said we can remember up to 20 squares, so that it will not be difficulty for us. Now here square root of a numbers which are not a perfect square. The numbers which are not perfect
Yes.
square, how we can find this square root? Okay. Now if you remember earlier also I had said in such question it has been said to find up to some decimal places, like here it has been said up to 2 decimal places. So what we will do? of course, we will find a square root by long division methods only. If it is not perfect square, its decimal places will never be cancelled. So what you will do, up to 2 decimal places it has been said. So after point you up to 4 decimal places you will be taking and dividing, like over here you can see up to 4 decimal places it has been taken, and here it is being divided. Like over here you can see 2 pairs it has been done. One is of 9, another is of 70. Then after 2 0 and 2 0. Okay. So 3 are 9. Cancel came 70. Of course, when 3 will be added, it will become 6 and 6. If you will keep 2, it will become more than 100. So of course there is only 70. So with 1 it has been divided 61. And while subtracting it comes 9. After point there is 2 0. So after this point it has been kept. And of course here again 1 is added, so it becomes 62. And 1 kept over here. Why? Because if you will apply 2 over here, again it will be more than 1100, 1200 you can say, but it is 900 only. So with 1 it has been applied. Then after subtracting, if you will see 9 comes from here, 7 comes from here, 2 comes up from here, and next 2 0 was there. So again 2 0 it has been kept. While adding 1 over here, it will become 622. Now here 4 it has been kept because 6000 something is there. So 6 for the 24,000 something comes over here, that is 896. So up to 2 decimal it already came, so no need to divide further. If it would have said up to 3 decimal, then 1 more digit you will be dividing. So according to the decimals we will be dividing and we will be writing. As you can see here, it has been written at last. Thus the square root of 970 correct up to 2 decimal places 37.14. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and
Yes,
next
sir,
one is
got, sir.
23.50. So, of course, here also 2 more 0 it will be added for forgetting after decimal place. Okay, so the C over here. Here you can see.
Sir,
Here, yes.
sir, up to what decimal number, sir, it can be asked?
Up to 2, generally it asks up to 2, or it can be up to 4 also. Okay.
Highest 5, sir, no.
4, 5, yes, not more than that.
Easy only, sir.
Yes. So of course here also 2 more 0 it has been added because after point there was only 2 numbers. So for making 4 it has been kept 2 more 0, and the same process by pairing here 2 numbers, so it has been paired. 4 for the 16 it came 7 down, and then after 5 0 came, which is after point, so here it has been kept point. Okay, and then after 4 plus 4 it will become 8 over here below. Okay, and then after again 8 it has been kept, so that it is a 64, it will come near to this 750, and then after again subtracted, again 2 0 came, again it has been added over here 8, and it became 96, and then after of course by keeping 4 it has been made. So you will see what number you have to keep.
So this is estimation only, no, sir. Not correct.
No, this is not a estimation, this is exact. Up to 2
Sir, how
decimal
is
this is
that
exact.
That is
Sir,
exact,
it is
sir.
being reminded how this
Of
is
course.
exact, sir.
Sir, it
Up
is
to 2
estimated?
decimal it
No.
is exact, it will not go up and down. When you will do in calculator also, it will come 4.84 and then after something.
Sir, can you
Yes,
explain
sir.
once more?
Okay, just see. Once more I
Sir,
am
once
explaining.
more you come.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
if it
once
is
more.
exact, then why it is giving remainder?
Okay, remainder for other
Yes.
decimal
Remainder will be
places it
there.
can be applied. Okay, like if it is set up to 3 decimal,
Sir.
because it is not a perfect square. Perfect square it is not, but yes, a square root value it is exact. Up to 2 decimal places. If it will be set 3, then up to 3 decimal places again it will be applied. Up to 4 decimal places it will be exact. Now, if anyone will
Okay,
ask you that how much year old you are, what you will be saying?
13, sir.
Sir,
How much?
14 years old. 14,
13,
Okay.
14, sir.
13, sir.
15, sir.
13.
13 or 14 years, we will say, okay. Then what is it? We are saying exact age, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you will see, there are months and days also, but it is asked in year. So in year we had said exact. How many years old you are? So 14 years or 13 years? Yes. So we can't say no. He has not said the exact way. This what saying? Time. No, it is exact. So like this also
In
over
some
here it is exact.
examination form, sir, in some
Yes.
examination form, it is asking that how many hours also, sir.
Hours not asking. In which examination asking hours? Ha,
Sir,
may
one of
ask
the
months.
elder brother told me that he have given one exam. I don't remember, sir, its name. And in that it was
No,
asked that how
months
many
and days
hours.
it can be asked, not hours.
Yes,
Months
sir,
and
but he
days,
told,
yeah.
sir.
Because no, many person do not record their hour at which time the person has burned. Of course, about 5 to 10% person, okay, or might be more than that also.
I know,
They
sir.
record the hours for making
I
kundali
know,
and
sir.
other things. Yes. So you might be
I know,
knowing you.
sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir. At 11:54 a.m.
Okay. At 11:54 a.m. Okay. So nearly at 12 o'clock.
Yes,
Okay. So
Yes.
just
sir.
see over here. Yes. What happens over here? Here also the pairing is only done. And by pairing it has been divided. Of course, when we will keep 5, it will be bigger than the 23. So 4 is applied. And here also this 4 and 4, it has been added. So below comes 8. Okay.
But sir, there is 88.
Yes, and further what number will be kept so that it will be divided, sorry, so that it will be get exactly divided, or what it can divide. For that other number it has been kept. So by keeping 8, because if you will keep 7, then what will happen? It will come less. 87 into 7 you will do. What number you will keep? With the same you have to multiply. So 7 7 is 49. Carry 4 and 8 7 is 56 and 4 60. So it is coming less only. And if you will keep 9, then it will become more. So 8 has been kept over there. Got 8?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in same way again 8 it has been added over here. 8 has been added and it becomes 96, and by keeping 4 it has been taken. So in this way up to 2 decimal places it came 4.84. Of course after all that also there is decimal, but here it has been said only up to 2 decimal places. So no need to divide further, because if you will divide further it will come 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places, 5 decimal places, which is not required. If it is said up to 3 decimal places, then again you will be dividing for 1 digit more. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now here comes another topic, number of digits in the square root of a number. What will be the digit in a square root of a number? So of course there is 2 formula. One, it is separate for what saying? Even numbers. That means if there is even digit, then one formula, and odd digit, then another formula. For even digit, it is said what? N by 2th digit. Like if the number is of 2 digit, then its square root will be of 1 digit. If number is of 4 digit, then its square root will become of 2 digit. Got it? That is half of the digit in even digits of a number. Now if the numbers are of 3 digit, then it will become, it's okay, square root will be of 3 plus 1 by 2 digit. That means 2 digit it will come. If 5 digit, then it will become 5 plus 1 by 2 digit. That means 3 digit. This is the formula. Here it has been shown also. Here, however, if the square number has odd number of digits, say m, then what happens? The numbers of periods can be divided into m minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is m plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. So is it clear how to know how many digits will be there in a square root of any number?
So
Yes,
one time
sir.
more explain, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see. I'll be taking now example
Yes,
like
sir,
for
one
example
more, sir.
169. In 169, how many digits is there?
3, sir.
3 digits.
3.
And it's
3.
a square root. How many digits is there?
13.
2 digits. 13 it will become. So it will become up. How many digits? 2 digits.
2, sir.
Yes. Okay. I'm facing some problem while writing. Okay, just for a second. So what will happen? That digit will become pen tablet. Yes. So it is 169 over here. Now it is writing properly. Yes. So its root is up 2 digit 13. This now here m is how much? 3. M is equal to 3. Okay. M is equal to 3. Then just see 3 plus 1 by 2. It is coming how much? 2 only. So that means 2 digit only is there. It is applicable. If you will check for others also, it will be
But sir,
applicable.
after that, so one is also needed to be added, sir.
When we are subtracting, then we are adding 1. If not, then m plus 1 by 2. That
Sir,
will be
Sir,
means
a
when
sir
we
result.
that
subtract.
Yes.
sir, we will do that third number. So
Sir,
that the number is equal to that like 3, and then that 1691 we will add.
Yes.
Third number.
Yes. 169 it was. So 3 digit is over there. This is the odd number of digit. So this formula will be applied to know the number of digit. That is number of digit is 3 plus 1 by 2. So in a square root it will become 2 digits. Okay. If you will take a 4 digit number, here it is 4. So simply 4 by 2 it will become. That is 2 digits. So in even simply how many digits are there? That half digit will be there in square root. Yes. Like if you will see 1024 when it is done.
Decimal number.
In decimal number, of course in decimal numbers also it will be same. If there is odd digits, okay, now that depends. If after point there is 4 digits, then in a square root it will come only 2 digits. Before point if there is 3 digits, then it will come 2 digit. If it is 4 digit, then also it will come 2 digit. If it is 5 digit, then it will become 3 digit, like this.
Sir, that it is necessary to add 1.
Yes, if it is odd, then you have to add 1, then you will be dividing with 2. If it is even, then directly dividing with 2.
Okay.
Clear? Okay. So now,
Yes, sir.
Another trick also, sir, we find square root.
another trick, no, this is not the trick, this is the formula itself.
Means you
And
tell us a division formula.
of course, by dividing these things comes, so for finding that relation it has been done. Okay, and there is no any other relations.
We studied sir relates LCM, sir. We find square root with the LCM formula.
That is of finding a square root, not of digits. Here we are finding of digits. How many digit a square root will be there? Like 169 is of 3 digit, then its square root is 13, that is of 2 digit. In same way, 1024 is of 3 digit and its square root it will become, I think, yes, 32 it will become or something like that. So that will be of 2 digit. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 D of which? Try this section. Okay, so now I think only one example is left. After that, I will be coming in 2D also. Okay,
Sir, 2B also, sir.
2B also. Okay, no problem. B and D both it will be explained.
Sir, I
Let's see
have
at first
also doubt,
example
sir.
number 24. Yes.
Sir, I have also doubt, but not from this chapter, sir.
Okay, then from where?
Sir, profit and loss, sir.
Okay, profit loss. Which chapter that is? Sixth.
Yes, sir. Sixth chapter.
Okay, so when we will complete this, then we will go in sixth chapter. I hope within 3-4 days. In this week, it will be complete. This week it is going to complete only. So okay, next week we will be in sixth chapter. So let's see. Example number 24. Here it has been
What
said.
is the
Find the
syllabus for PT?
number of for syllabus. It is 1, 2, 3. Then after 6 and 8 and 9. It is yes. Syllabus has been
half
sent to
yearly.
you. Yes. No. In
half
PT2.
yearly.
PT2.
Sir, can you tell once more, sir, which chapter?
Okay, exactly. I am not remembering, but it is 6, 8, 9. Okay, let me see in my diary. Of course, I had written. So, and one syllabus sheet it has been sent by your class teacher also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, there also you can see it. It is 6, 8, and 9. Okay. No, sorry, 6, 9, 10. Not 6, 8, and 9. 6, 9, 10. So, next chapter 6, then after 9, then after 10. So, example
Sir, whole
24, it has
syllabus
been
is 1,
used.
2, 3, 6, 9, 10, and 12, 13.
Yes. Half yearly syllabus is that 12, 13 also. Yes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay. So, of course, 12, 13 is there in half yearly and 16 is also there in half yearly. PT3, not half yearly it is going up to 17. Okay, 12, 13, 16, 17. PT3, there it is 12, 13
And
and
sir, in
16.
final, sir, whole book will come.
No, here it will be half only. Okay. What is the in term 2 syllabus that will be only in the final. Now here let's see example 24. Simply here the digits has been counted and found. Okay, like in even number, there was even number of digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 divided by 2 done. Then 3 digits are there. It has been said to find the number of digits in the square root. Okay. So divided and it got 2. In same way here also in a square root there is 5. So of course odd numbers. So 1 added and divided with 2. So 3 digits are there. Is this example number 24 clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we will come towards, and in number 1 it has been said using long division method find the square root of the following numbers. So I hope all of you will be able to do this.
Yes, sir. Done also.
Yes, done, then very good. Now in question number 2, B and D there was doubt, so I will be watching 2B and 2D over here. So if you will see over here 2B, it is said what? At first it has been said using long division find the smallest number which should be subtracted from the following numbers to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the new number thus formed. So it is just like the example, earlier example. Okay. Now let's see how to make B number. So in B number what you will do is you will be writing here. Okay. At first we will divide 3. Okay. 317. 3317.763. That means 3300 Okay, 17.763. We will pair this, okay, from here 2 digit, and after point 2 digit, not 2 points are there, so 1 0 we will be keeping. Now we will be dividing. With, okay, 6 6 are 36, it will become more,
With
so with
5,
5
sir.
it will go, yes. 5 5 are 25. While subtracting, it will come 8 below, and 1 7 will come down. Now in 5 plus 5, it will become 10.
Sir, here 25, sir. Very good, 28.
No, sir. 5 it will be, sir.
Okay, okay, 25 it will be, yes. Yes?
Yes, sir. And down then will
Yes,
be
sir,
8.
25.
Yes, 25. 5 5 is 25. By mistake, I did 28.
Yes, sir. Then
After
8
subtracting, it will be 8 only, okay? And 5 5 10. And now what we will be keeping over here? With the same, we have to multiply. So, of course, the 8 will be more, then 7 we will be writing.
7, sir.
Yes, with 7, it will become 7 7 ja 49. Carry 4.
The
759.
division method
And
is
then
too
after
hard.
4, and then after 7. Yes?
This division methods are too hard.
Revision
8, sir.
exercise is too much hard. 9 8 17. 1
No,
will
No,
be
sir,
it
left.
this
is
Zero.
method, sir, division method.
Okay, division method. No, when you will make, then you will find it is easier. Until you had not made, you will find difficult, of course. And when you will make by yourself, by understanding, then it will become easier. So it will become 0 over here. So 10 minus 4, it will become 6. And after that, 1 it has been taken carry. So 7 7 7 got cancelled. So 68 over here. Next number, it will come 30. Are you all listening me?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Able
Yes,
to
Yes,
sir.
see.
sir.
Yes. So next number is 76.
Yes.
Okay. So 76. Sorry, 76 will be coming down. Okay, I'm getting some problem in writing. It is not coming exactly thick. Yes. 76. So now 7 will be added over here. So it will become 114. After that, there is point. So of course here it will be kept point. And of course now there it is. It has been cancelled. This is not 1. So 6 8 7 6. If we will keep 1 over there, then it will become more than 1000. 2 then more than 2000. 3 then more than 3000. 4 then more than 4000. 5 then more than 5000. And 6 then more than 6000. And I think with 6 it will go exactly, because 66,000 it will be coming. Just see with 6 what will happen. 6 6 are 36. Carry 3, and 6 for the 24, and 3 27. Carry 2, and then after 6, 1 just 6 and 2. What it is? 6 is 36, 3, 6 for the 24, 2, and 6, 1 just 6 and 2, 8, and 6. Okay, sorry, 8 it will be. So it is going exactly over here itself. Okay. And 3 which comes is smaller, 3 0. Okay, so what you can say? Hence, you can write hence. This is the third and fourth digit after decimal. So you can write 0.00. First and second digit you will not be writing. Third and fourth digit 30. Three zero will be subtracted. Okay, will be
Sir,
subtracted.
from
Yes.
where sir, from where 30 came, sir?
Because last two digits. So of course 0 is remainder. So that will be only subtracted. And last two digit is there. So
Yes,
remaining two digit is not there. So 0 0 will be keeping. Hence 0.0030 will be subtracted.
What is homework, sir?
Okay, so homework is to complete this activity subtracted
You
from.
didn't solve my doubt.
No problem. Next day I will be solving then. And I think both are similar only, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can do like this.
Yes, I have solved it, but I think
Answer
it is a
not matching.
long
Yes.
process. That's why.
Okay, no problem. Next day I will be solving from 3317.7630 to get a perfect square. To get a perfect square.
It is again the homework.
Yes.
What is the homework?
Time over. Okay. So after completing this, of course, I will be ending your class. To get a perfect square, that is you can write, okay,